Hi, I'm Jonathan Rayfield from Texaram at DTS 2019, and I'm joined by Fabian Steuer from Scheftner Materials based in Germany. Fabian, welcome.
Hey, hello. How are you?
It's nice to see you. Yeah.
Thanks.
We've had a great day here, and Fabian, you've been telling us about your amazing materials, and I wonder whether we could maybe start by just looking at one of the samples of this, because the Scheftner materials have been designed and manufactured specifically for the milling of bars. Now, Fabian, can you tell us a little bit about the material and that manufacturing process? Because you were talking earlier about how the manufacturing process and how this improves work for the laboratory owner.
Yes, of course I can. So let's remove this shiny disc back in the back and let's go to the manufacturing process. We go to our single one. We do like the single casting method. This means we cast every disc by a single one. If you go to our competitors, for example, they have like let's say like this. They have like a big rod, and then they cut it every disc out of it. So there's two disadvantages. First, when you have this rod and you cut it, you need a saw to cut it. And everywhere you saw it, or you use a saw, there's a heat, and the heat will affect a little bit on the surface. So the surface will be a little bit more harder than the inside of the disc.
Okay.
So which also makes some problems with the bar. You better know it than
So
I
when
do.
you're coming to milling, then you have issues, yeah?
It's the first hard shift, the hard layer, and then you go inside.
Okay.
So
So, Fabian, if I'm not mistaken, then that will reduce the life of the burr
of course.
because the material is harder than it should really be.
Just only the surface.
Yeah.
But the most important is with the single casting method. So the metal is very, or the blank is very smooth inside. So if
Okay.
you have like a big bar, and you cast like the bar,
Yeah.
and then the big bar of fluids from cobalt material, let's say, if they get hard, the end will get harder, the middle is still fluid.
Okay.
And so there will be, so the time difference between when the disc is or the whole bar
It's cooled.
It's cool.
Yeah.
So there will be another value down here, another value down here, another value down there.
Okay. And this is not your manufacturing process, then?
No, because we do it one by one.
Okay.
Every disc one by one. Then we cut it off, not with a saw, but something like a brush.
Okay.
And then we have the disc.
Now, Fabian, lab owners don't like to spend more than they have to on materials. I think everybody would probably agree with that.
Yeah.
So, is this process very much more expensive? Am I going to be paying a lot more for this material than competitor products?
No. Let's say we actually enter the market to be on a very good price level.
Okay.
So there are high prices and middle prices and low prices.
Okay.
And we are based in the middle size.
Okay. So I may be paying a middle price, but I'm getting a premium material.
But getting exactly.
Right,
And
okay.
and it's like what I also mentioned before.
Yeah.
It's like the material is one of the major issues by milling. So you spend weeks thinking about which milling machine you buy.
Yeah.
You spend weeks on which scanner you buy. You spend weeks on what software you buy. And with the material, you only go for the price. It doesn't make sense.
No.
So you have to also look for the good material.
Okay. So with the material, I'm talking about saving cost on my burrs because the material is superior and consistent. Earlier on when we were talking then, you used this phrase, and I'm going to read this. You talked about consistent dispersion of mechanical properties. Fabian, it sounds a great phrase.
Yeah.
I'll say it one more time. Consistent dispersion of mechanical properties. Tell us what that means, because it sounds great, but what is it?
It's funny. It's like that means I would take this one. So it means that the disc is very smooth inside, outside.
Okay.
You have the small characteristics.
Okay.
All the chemical characteristics. So inside it's like 400 hardness, outside 420, this side 380.
Yeah.
But it's just in one range.
Okay.
So the Scheftner disc, we have like from this side to this side, there's a difference of 7%.
Yeah.
We have measured some competitors going up to 20.
Yeah.
So you have like 300 biggest hardness on this side and 450 on this side. And this is, you're the expert in milling.
Yeah.
How it costs your bar bar is one topic. Second one is if we put the ceramic on. It's a completely different material.
Right.
So you have the risk of the
Of this moving.
moving.
Yeah.
So this is all disappeared with the Scheftner.
So this is serious business, really, because we're talking about high quality implant work and the need
Yes.
for absolute accuracy. And
100%.
when a lab has invested a lot of money in, say, the IMA's iCore 650i, which is a premium milling machine, the Scheftner product seems the perfect partner to go with that mill.
Of course. And second, I mean, you're starting just for the part of saving money. But
Yeah.
now I'm saving about the being on the legal side, on the safe way. The
Okay.
legal compliance to the ISO 22674.
Yeah.
It means every workpiece has to be the values, at least the minimum values which mentioned in the standard.
Yeah.
And if you're going below 360, you lose out the standard, and you're not allowed to build up a bridge.
Yeah.
Legally, you're not allowed to. So it makes you also a legal security, legal compliance.
So this is really important again for
Actually, more important than the economic part.
yeah. The necessity for this, I think, with the implant work is absolutely vital. And Fabian, you've been great today, and thank you really for joining us at DTS. We've had a
Yeah.
great time together and a good show. We've got another day to go.
Yeah.
For our lab owners that are buying the milling machine, they've again expressed how reliable they found the material and even quieter it is to mill than other materials. And I guess this is to do with what you've explained.
Yes.
Fabian, great
Also,
to see you. Thank you.
Thank you to be here at the show, being the new partner of Texaram.
Great.
And we will continue for a couple of years.
Yeah, we will.
Okay.
Well, many years
Okay,
to come,
no
I
worries.
hope. Visit texaram.com to find out more about the materials, and you'll hear more from Fabian in the future. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.